Hey guys, Swati here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new on my channel, hi, this is Swati Rastogi. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm talking about saree draping style. And मैंने इसमें वन दुपट्टे के साथ साड़ी ड्रेपिंग स्टाइल कवर करने की कोशिश की है. एंड आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे, आपको मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगता है गाइस तो प्लीज गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग फैन थम्स अप एंड शेयर कीजिएगा जितना आप ज्यादा कर सकते हैं. एंड कमेंट कीजिएगा कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज गाइस डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर सच वीडियोज. एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन के नेक्स्ट में ही बेल आइकॉन है तो उसको जरूर हिट कीजिएगा ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए कि मैंने वीडियो अपलोड किया है. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वीडियो.
I have already tucked the saree in the one full round. Now we will pleat the saree and tuck it in at the center of the belly button. Saree pleat should go straight down. Now adjust the pleat and secure it with the pin. Now take the left part and tuck it into your back. And next take the dupatta and start tucking it at the one end right near your belly button starts. Draping it around, making sure that taking it under the pleated pallu because we want the pallu to be on the top. Now tuck this dupatta on the left shoulder like you would drape any saree. Next, take the saree open end which is left open and pick the width to make small pleats for shoulder pleats. Adjust the pleat till the end, then take this from the back and bring it in the front right side like you would drape a Sidha Pallu saree. Make sure you pin both the right and the left pallu. Pin pleats together so that don't move. Now adjust the pallu on your left and secure it with the pin, and now you are done. Now take the rest of the fabric, tightly secure it with pin behind the saree pleats. Now you are done. I really love the saree style. is so contemporary, makes you are wearing something designer. Make sure you pin both the shoulders that you can enjoy the outfit and carry it like a pro. And the second look, I just made the double border pallu, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the video.